Hi friends, my name is Abhishek. I hope you're doing well. I came across with another interview question which was asked in UST Global, and that is a practical question on SQL. So the question is this: find the city name in each state which have a maximum population and minimum population. So हमारे पास एक टेबल है. टेबल के अंदर थ्री कॉलम्स हैं. कॉलम नेम स्टेट, सिटी एंड पॉपुलेशन. एंड स्टेट में हमारा स्टेट, सिटी एंड पॉपुलेशन. एंड आउटपुट हमें चाहिए स्टेट, हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन सिटी नेम, लोएस्ट पॉपुलेशन सिटी नेम. सो यू कैन सी हियर हरियाणा स्टेट हैज अ हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन सिटी इज गुड़गांव, and Ambala has the lowest population city. In Punjab, you can see that Ludhiana has the highest population city, and uh, Amritsar is the lowest population city. In Maharashtra, you can see the Mumbai highest population city, and Nagpur is lowest population city. And Karnataka has a Bangalore highest population city, and Mangalore is lowest population city. So I'm going to share the query how in front of you. How I'm going to create a query. How can we achieve this in SQL Server, using SQL Server? So in SQL Server there is limitation. We cannot use multiple column in condition. So I will let you know which one we cannot use. And I right now. So this is my table. This is the my table. Through that, this is my main table. I want to create a data. So I will use a common table expression CTE. So first I will give the name max population as. सबसे पहले मैं सेलेक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे स्टेट वन, वन कामा सिटी कामा. This is the table name. The table name from city वन फ्रॉम द सिटी. सबसे पहले हमने ये कर दिया, यहाँ से सेलेक्ट कर दिया. और उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, इसको हम एलियास देंगे ए. एंड आई विल यूज द ज्वाइन कंडीशन. ज्वाइन ज्वाइन के अंदर हम मैक्स, सबसे पहले एक स्टेट लेंगे. स्टेट मैक्स पॉपुलेशन. आई विल यूज दिस फ्रॉम टेबल सिटी ग्रुप बाय स्टेट वन. इसके बाद ब्रैकेट क्लोज करेंगे एंड इस ब्रैकेट को भी क्लोज करेंगे. और यहाँ पे ऑन, इसको एलियास देंगे बी. ए डॉट स्टेट इक्वल टू बी डॉट स्टेट एंड ए डॉट population equal to b dot population. Now I'm going to close it. Now you can see that this is the correct query. If I'm going to run single this one, it will give the output. If I'm going to run this single this one, it will give the output. And I have to use here alias a dot city A dot population. So this is the correct. So if I'm going to run this, let's see what will happen. It is showing error here because I have given extra bracket. If I'm going to run this, we can see that the highest population of each city, state and city. Now फिर से हम मिन के लिए मिनिमम पॉपुलेशन निकालेंगे, मिनिमम पॉपुलेशन, और हम ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करेंगे, सिंपल स्क्यूरी में हम यहाँ पे ऐसे चेंज कर देंगे और यहाँ पे नेम मिन पी कर दिया. ओके, इफ आई एम गोइंग टू रन this, it also give the name. Now now I'm going to remove this. I will give the comma here. I will remove this with and going to join with max. So I will give the a dot state 1 dot, I will give the name as alias because a and b we have already used in above query. C dot city as highest population, city HPC. इसी प्रकार I will use here LPC, lowest population city, and here like A, join B, like A. I will remove this expression from here. On, I will give the C and D. Here I will use D and C. D C dot state 1 equal to D dot state. Now I'm going to run and check the what is the output. Now you can see that state Haryana has a highest population city, Gurugram. If you want to compare, so I will run this both, you will get the compare. So for Haryana, Gurgaon is highest population city and lowest is Ambala. You can see it here. For Punjab, Ludhiana is highest population city and Amritsar is lowest. For Maharashtra, Mumbai is highest population city and Nagpur is lowest population city. You can see that here compare. For Karnataka, Bangalore is highest population city and Bangalore is lowest population city. So आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. This question so I will give the answer for this question in as well as Spark and different ways also in upcoming next